Her name was Maria Shalom. She was a female soldier in the Israeli army. One evening, she returned home, picked up a bottle of wine, and filled a glass. Then, on social media, she put up a post on her fake account which was made in Arabic under the name of al-Mu'minin. The title of the post was whether Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, is more worthy of Khilafat or Ali bin Talib, may Allah be pleased with him. Then, she picked up a few drops of wine from her glass, put them in her throat, and impatiently began to wait for the comments. The first comment from Iraq was written by Qusair bin Jubair. He wrote, "This is Umar bin Khattab who has enraged Khilafat and he does not deserve it. And you are worthy of it." In response, Abdurrahman from Saudi Arabia wrote, "Certainly, Umar is worthy of it. And, O Iraqi, O Rafzi, O Kafir, you are even worse enemies than the Jews of the Ali Sunnah." Maria Shalom smiled and happily drank the second glass of wine. The third comment was posted by a young Egyptian named Abdissamir. He wrote, "I want to answer him. Yes, these are Umar Fathi Shia and Fatimajis." In this way, on social media, people began to respond to each other and Shia and Sunni began to abuse each other. Maria Shalom stopped drinking the bottle and lay on her bed with a happy smile and after a few moments lost her peace of mind in the valleys. As a result of this argument, the peaceful settlements and valleys of Iraq, and all this is now also going on in Pakistan. The institutions of Pakistan are being targeted for indiscriminate debate. Is it not that we are damaging Pakistan and the concept of the Ummah? We will have to think about what lesson we have learned. Have we really learned the right lesson from Islam? And is it not the truth that we have not learned any lesson from Islam? And is it not the truth that we have misused Islam? And is it not also a matter of concern that we have exploited Islam and made it a means of exploitation of others? The countless aspects of the society and religious life of Muslims are such that Muslims themselves are waiting for their own judgment. We Muslims will have to think, what are the real reasons? Have we really taken a step based on the true spirit of Islam, or are we going blindly? I dare to present this small debate to you so that someone can be saved, so that someone can be awakened from the sweet dreams of the rabbit. But I can say with certainty that this small debate will not be heard by anyone and the situation will continue to burn like this. May Allah have mercy on us and our situation. Ameen. O Lord of the worlds,